In today's video, we'll be making this very beautiful purse. It has a zipper and the logo. The logo is optional and you can use it for your souvenir or whatsoever. Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel, where we make the process of bag making easy. On this channel, you can expect to find videos on bag making and tips to make the process of your bag making easy. Alright, let's get started. So this is the measurement for our purse. The length is 12 inches and the breadth is 6.5, and for the side the length is 3.5 inches and the breadth is 3 and 2 line. 3 and 2 line inches. For the handle is 8 inches for the length and the breadth is 1.5 inches. This is how we'll be folding it, like this and like this. So we just sew the middle. This is what it looks like. Tag it like this, so it will be easy for us when we are fixing the side to our main purse. What we'll be doing next is that we'll fix our logo. So it's optional. You can put a logo if you want. Measure 2.5 inches. Remember I said the width is 6.5, so we get the middle, and the middle is 3 and 2 line, so we mark it. So this is where our fancy will be. So our logo will be here, and then I'll be using something to pierce it open. So you put it inside the pierced hole and then we close it. So it's totally optional either to put a fancy or not. So what we'll be doing now is that we'll be fixing our zip to the purse. So we'll be top stitching to make it neat. We're doing the same thing for the other side. We sew the other side to our zipper. We have to open it this way and top stitch. So we zip it back. We cut out the excess. Same thing with the other side. So we notch the down part. Do the same for the side also. You place the two notched plates together to make it easier for you to sew. There will be no any form of irregularity or one side being longer or not fitting well. So we stitch. Always note that for you to be able to move to the other side, you have to raise the feet of your machine. So this allows it very easy for you to turn to the other side. I hope you understand what I'm explaining. Please, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. So for the other side, there's a notch place on our zip and we clip it, and we do the same thing for the other side also. We clip it. So you stitch, or you can turn it. So this is what our purse looks like, looking so neat and beautiful. It's a very easy purse to make. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. For those who are yet to subscribe, just click on the red button on your screen to get useful videos from us. Feel free to share, give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video.